Listen to the snowy trees. Winter wind sings with the breeze. Soft and gentle, cold and clear, whispering tales for all to hear. Ooh, and we'll play, dancing snowflakes all the way. Wrap up warm and sing along to the winter wind's sweet song. Icicles chime with every gust. Snowdrifts sparkle like fairy dust. Over rooftops under moon, winter hums a frosted June. Tales of sleds and fires that glow, of cozy nights and falling snow. With every swirl it brings delight, a lullaby for every night. Ooh, the wind will play, dancing snowflakes all